Which of the following nationalistic newspapers was associated with Bal Gangadhar Tilak? So when we talk about Bal Gangadhar Tilak, here there were various other newspapers. Okay, so the Hindu, it was written by G. Subramaniam Iyer. Amrit Bazar Patrika, it was written by Shishir Kumar Ghosh. Okay, and Rosh Sugoftar, it was a Parsi newspaper. However, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he was the person who had taken birth in the Bombay province. Okay, so he had two papers. One was, if we eliminate this, so the elimination, there is going to be the Kesari. Okay, the Kesari newspaper that is there. Okay, so Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he had two newspapers at that point of time. One is going to be the Kesari, another is going to be the particular Mahratta. So the Kesari was the Marathi newspaper that he is going to have, and the Mahratta is going to be the English newspaper that he is going to have. And in these newspapers, he is going to, write on the extremist level, the extremist ideas, and how extra constitutionally we can get our demands fulfilled against the Britishers. Okay, so that is there. Now, the next one. Consider the following pairs: the Hindu Patriot, Hindu Patriot, the Hindu, and Young India. So when we talk Hindu Patriot, the Hindu, I right now mentioned it to you that the Hindu, it is going to be written by whom? It was written by G. Subramaniam Iyer. Then there was the Hindu Patriot. The Hindu Patriot, it was written by Harish Chandra Mukherjee. But when we talk about Young India, so Young India here, who was the person who had written the Young India? So it was written by it was associated by Gandhiji. Okay, New India was associated with Annie Besant. New India was associated with Annie Besant, whereas Young India is going to be associated with the Young India is going to be associated with Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so Bipin Chandra Pal is not there. So the only two are correct. So the answer is B.